Anytime you live with someone in your house, whether it's boyfriend, girlfriend, sibling, roommate, multiple cats, there's going to be some tension, right? We don't always all get along. So you'll see little spats like this here and there, unless they're happening all the time. Not necessarily a behavior issue that needs to be addressed, but there are things as the human that we're able to do, obviously, to make sure that we're providing the appropriate resources and enrichment and things for them to be able to cohabitate peacefully. So this little cat is not exactly happy. He definitely is not digging the microphone in his face. I always think it's best to kind of put yourself in the situation of the animals. The sound, definitely hilarious, but he was a little bit agitated. I always recommend using consent